friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesariya Textile family. I hope all are safe and doing great. Friends, today also I brought for you the exclusive varieties only from the kids segment. If I talk about this, varieties are only party wear collections for the girls collections. So if I talk about this collections exclusive, which is at the factory cost, the factory price, you can purchase from Kesariya manufacturers. Retailers, if you are into a kids collections business, you have a huge profit. So keep watching this video, subscribe to the channel for the regular updates, and you can easily purchase by doing online purchase, and you have a visit purchase options also. So the first pattern, the collections are very beautiful. So unique varieties you can purchase directly from the manufacturers. So this is a three-piece concept of the western wear concept with the digital printed. This is a first pattern. So full covered multi floral base printed. The pant you can see here, the pockets which is given here, and this is a three-piece concept, which is an inner jacket you can see here, mini crop top pattern, the elastic based, which is a three-piece, which is a coat pattern. On this varieties you have a color options as well as a different sizes. If I talk about the traditional based, family functional based, the south pattern lehengas of the girls collections, purely traditional based of the pattu lehengas. So this is called orange color with the rani color combination with the sequence work. This is a pattern, and this is the lehenga with the pattu border with the rani color with the sequence work. This is a plain lining which is given, and with the can you can see here, and with the fancy tassels. This is one of the pattern, and in this you have a net based veil with the lining and the border of the rani color. All these exclusive collections you can purchase from directly a manufacturer. Next pattern, if I talk about the pattern which is sharara for the mini, beautiful for the kids collections with the handwork designer, heavy concept of the black color. This is the pattern of top chudi, and this is the sharara. You can see here the bottom. So this is one of the pattern, the lining also given here, and this is the dupatta. All these exclusive collections, sizes, varieties, multiple fabrics, imported fabrics are getting used to avoid the rashes, itching, to avoid rashes and itching. So such exclusive varieties you can purchase. Mini crop top with the lemonish yellow color, the wiring work with the mirror work you can see here. This is one of the pattern, and you have a beautiful lemon yellow color with the lining or the net based lehenga. You can see here. This is top and bottom. So fancy tassels has been given here, and this is the dupatta. See, with the satin lace which is highlighted. All these varieties you can purchase in 2000 in the factory price in Kesariya manufacturers. I am not telling you here, or I am not sharing you here any specific price, because you are purchasing from a manufacturer at the factory price. This is a bottle green, the crush based lehenga with the sequence work and the wiring work. This is a peplum. You can see here the coat pattern. This comes like this, and this is a inner jacket which comes like this. This is a peplum collections, and this is the dupatta. So this is a with the silver lace border which has been highlighted. If I talk about very young small girls, you can see here the mini crop top with the lemon dark yellow color with the shade of stonework and the embroidering work. So this is the mini jacket, crop top jacket, and this is the lehenga with the beautiful satin lace with the net based lace and the red color and the pinkish color highlighted which has been done, and this is the copper and silver jerry with the net finished has been done. If I talk about the next pattern, beautiful three-piece concept, royal and grand look with the settle color. This is the pattern, sequence. This is the jacket, and this is the pant, plain. It comes like this. All these exclusive varieties you can purchase. And if I talk about the next pattern, the crop top on the georgette based with you have a sleeves also, you can attach it with the sequence work. This is a pattern, and you have a lehenga with the 3 layers with the sequence work. Silver finishing has been given. Handwork patterns. This is the pattern. This is the can, and this is the veil. All these collections are party wear which you can purchase from Kesaria Manufactures. If I talk about kids collections, boy babies, girl babies from 0 to till 15-16 years kids collections you can purchase from 75 rupees. If I talk about the highest value, only 2000 rupees. In 2000 you can buy all varieties including fancy, party wear, regular, hangout, traditional, even for the girls also, even for the kids also. You won't find any quality issues or fabric issues because it's getting manufactured from the factory and you're getting. And when you visit Kesaria Manufacturers, which is located at Surat City Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building 1, first floor, morning 9:30 to 8:30 shop will be available. You can directly visit and you can do visit purchase. You have a many more women apparels also, ready-made sarees. You have a lot many options to start. If you want to invest and start your clothing store, you can directly contact Kesaria Manufacturers. You can travel from airport, you can travel from railway station also. We do have a sales executives or even online, even in offline. You can do video calling purchase also, no worries. So we are providing COD pan India, and if you are in out of India, advance booking also you can do 50,000 bucks. You can, according to Indian money, you can purchase mix and also you can purchase and you can start your clothing business. We support set to the retailers where you can purchase it wholesale. We do have a sizes, varieties, color options, many more varieties. So I hope this video will be liked it. Please share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Please follow the social media pages, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook pages. Let me know what kind of collections you are looking for. So next video I'll do that, and please do support and subscribe the channel. Next video we'll meet up till until then, take care, bye bye.